Mesothelioma Law Firms focus on asbestos litigation. They specialize in handling personal injury lawsuits, wrongful death lawsuits, trust fund claims for patients and families facing mesothelioma. Hiring an experienced asbestos law firm in your family best step towards curing mesothelioma compensations. These specialized firms tend to focus solely on asbestos cases and offer unparalleled expertise in this area of law. Why you need a law firm specializing in asbestos cases? Asbestos databases. These firms have developed extensive resources to help build your case, including asbestos product databases and historical case records. Complex state laws. Asbestos litigation laws are challenging to understand and vary by state, making a nationwide firm the best way to streamline process. An asbestos firm's background and knowledge translate into a more effortless experience for you and your family throughout the legal process. Substantial rewards. A significant amount of money is at stake is a mesothelioma lawsuit which can cover treatment costs and of life expenses, travel, lodging, and more. Mesothelioma law firms have developed a deep knowledge and emotional understanding of mesothelioma and how stressful it is to navigate cancer treatment and health insurance. They understand how a terminal cancer diagnosis affects families and how important it is to spend precious time with loved ones. National firms have litigated cases and trust fund claims nationwide. Choosing a nationwide firm gives you access to a network of attorneys with asbestos case expertise in each state. They will determine the proper jurisdictions for filing your claim within the legal time limitation to maximize your recovery. Top mesothelioma law firms. The top mesothelioma law firms offer a network of experienced attorneys and a winning track record. Attorneys at top asbestos law firm and accessible, compassionate, and sensitive to what you and your family are going through. They will investigate your asbestos exposure and manage every aspect of your case, allowing you to focus on what matters most treatment and your health. Mesothelioma law firms specialize in asbestos cases. When choosing your mesothelioma law firm, the first thing to look for is their years of experience and a history of success. The top asbestos law firms in the US have a team of qualified attorneys who understand what you and your loved ones are facing and can you give your confidence pursuing your legal options. Lawyers who understand mesothelioma and asbestos. Asbestos law firms have intimate knowledge of the different type of asbestos related diseases and understand how this impacts the patient and the legal process. The team of experts at this firm advocate for expedited trial dates and quick settlements based on the state asbestos law that apply to your claim. They will also conduct depositions as soon as possible to avoid statutes of limitations, letting you focus on your medical care. Ability to document asbestos exposure. Firms specializing in asbestos have a wealth of deep industry resources and proprietary database is filled with information about asbestos products and contaminated job sites. Attorneys at asbestos firm will in- investigate your case in depth to discover proof of your claim. They will use this information and their extensive database to connect your mesothelioma diagnosis to prior asbestos experts. No upfront legal costs and a free case evaluations. Evaluations. Not every firm offers a free case evaluation, but dedicated mesothelioma law firms typically provide free evaluations, leveraging their nationwide network of attorneys. It is more challenging for larger firms to provide these services because they operate on a smaller scale. The best firms also work on a contingency fee basis, which means you don't pay for their legal services if they don't win your case. Record of winning large verdicts and settlements. National firms tend to have the best track record of securing compensations for those exposed to asbestos. For example, Waites won a multi-million dollar settlements in 2021 for a Navy died of mesothelioma. Simmons Hanley Connery recovered $34 million in 2019 from Ford Motor Company for a mechanic with mesothelioma. A lawyer who makes you feel comfortable. Mesothelioma law firms understand that travel is difficult when you have diagnosed with cancer. One of the most significant benefits of choosing a nationwide firm is its willingness to travel to you with more scalding availability than local firms. A good legal team will provide example of its success and explain fees upfront. Mesothelioma attorneys regularly update their client on progress and often have the experience to anticipate their clients' needs. Working with a mesothelioma law firm, your attorney will guide you through each step of the lawsuit and help you understand your legal options. They will listen to your concern and address any question about the process. The attorney will gather evidence to prepare your case file and claim in proper jurisdiction and handle any responses from defendants. Filing a mesothelioma lawsuit after death is more complicated than a personal injury claim, but a qualified attorney can go over options for filing a wrongful death lawsuit.